Hello, today we're going to have a look at Autodesk Construction Cloud and meetings. Firstly, let's choose the correct project, and then under Autodesk Build, you'll find meetings. Now the beauty of having meetings with inside the Construction Cloud is that it's so much easier to find both agendas and meeting minutes. So first thing we need to do is create a meeting. This automatically puts us into the agenda. So let's give this a meeting name. Next we'll give it a date and then a time. Once this meeting is created, we can get this added to our calendar. Next we specify a location. This is a manual location, but we can also use a video conference link. If we add a link, you get a choice of Microsoft Teams or Zoom. Next we'll need to give it a description. Next thing we'll move to is creating the actual agenda. So here we've got two areas. Firstly, there's the meeting topic. So here we're going to create a couple of topics. Now we can always come back to this meeting agenda to change this before the meeting or during the meeting. Sometimes when we add a topic, we might need to add items underneath that particular topic. So in this case, let's create an item. So in this case, we're going to create another topic, and in this case, numerous items can be selected. Here, normally these would be added as separate items. So I'll add one more topic. And in this case, we're actually adding an attachment or a reference to attachment. So let's actually add that attachment. And it's as easy as just dragging and dropping a file into this location. The next thing we need to do is actually add invitees or add references. In this case, let's just add invitees. So people already in the project get listed. So we can just tick these people that need to be in the meeting. We can also create non-member invites. So here we just give the first name, surname, company and email, and they'll get an invite for this particular meeting. In this case, we'll just confirm that these two people are going to be invited along with myself. Now, as people attend a meeting, we can actually mark them as attended. As the meeting is actually then created, we can then turn this into minutes if need be. Now this will actually lock the meeting, so then they become a meeting minutes. But anytime we can actually go back and change it back to an agenda, as long as you're a project admin. So let's presume the meeting is in full swing, and we mark who's actually attended. And we can then start to change the items, whether they're open, ongoing, or indeed closed. Again, we can see the meeting attachments. Everybody can get to see that's attended the meeting. When the meeting's finished, we then just change it to minutes. And as we said before, this locks the meeting. So this now will be recorded as minutes. We can also export this as a PDF. For those people who don't have access to the project data, we can add it to our calendar, as I said before. We can share with invitees, but we can also create a follow-up meeting. This will then use this as an agenda. So it will keep the information stored as meeting minutes, but the follow-up meeting will be an agenda. So that's meetings in Autodesk Build for Autodesk Construction Cloud.